Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a scroll back to top button for Squarespace. This is a handy feature that improves navigation on your website, especially if you have long pages where visitors need an easy way to jump back to the top without endless scrolling. Let's walk through this step by step. First, head over to squarespace.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with the site you want to edit. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Squarespace dashboard where all your websites are displayed. Now simply click on the website where you want to create the scroll back to top button. This will take you to the main overview page for that specific site, showing you various options for managing your content and design. Next, look towards the upper right corner of your screen and click on Edit Site. A menu will appear, and from there, click Edit. This action takes you into the site editor where you can make real-time changes to your website's layout and content. Once you're in the editor, scroll down until you reach the footer area of your site. The footer is typically at the very bottom of your page and often contains links, contact information, or other essential elements. When you've located it, click on Edit Site Footer. This opens up the footer section for customization, allowing you to add new elements or modify existing ones. Now click on Add Block. Squarespace will present you with a variety of block options you can insert into your footer. From these options, click on Button. This inserts a button block into your footer, which will serve as your back-to-top navigation element. Double-click on the button block to edit its text. Rename it as back to top, so visitors immediately understand its purpose. Clear labeling is key to good user experience, and this simple text tells users exactly what will happen when they click it. After renaming, click on Attach Link. In the link field, type hashtag. This simple symbol tells the browser to scroll to the very top of the page, creating that smooth scrolling effect users expect from a back-to-top button. Here's the most important part. Make sure to disable the Open Link in New Tab option. If this is left enabled, clicking the button would try to open a new tab instead of scrolling, which defeats the entire purpose of the button. So double-check that this setting is turned off. Once you've done all that, click Save to apply your changes. Your scroll back to top button is now live in your footer, ready to help visitors navigate your site more easily. This small addition can significantly improve user experience, especially on content-heavy pages. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.